Hey everybody, I'm back on YouTube just because I have something I'm super excited about, and it's Misfits Market. This is a marketplace where you can log on once a week and basically build your box for $35. They have a selection of all organic fruits and vegetables. So everything you see in this frame, $35. And if you sign up using my affiliate link below, you can get $10 off. So I really want to zoom in as close as possible to show you how amazing all of this produce is. So a lot of it is farm fresh. It may even come with dirt on it. So I've laid down towels. The radishes and the celery usually go first. Organic produce does sometimes just lose its freshness quicker, and so I try to get to the radishes and the celery within a day or two. The apples and the citrus are really good for a while. You can get a selection of apples. Here I have Pink Lady, and those are oranges, but I don't think they're the Valencia oranges. Let me show you those. Oh, I forgot about the limes. I got limes too. Those were also included. And I'll get to the real Misfits in a minute. These are my beautiful mangoes, and these are the best carrots you'll ever eat. Now, sometimes there's substitutions. I don't remember ordering fennel. I think I ordered celery root, but I got fennel, so now I get to learn what to do with fennel. There are also usually isn't a set amount of how much you'll get. You usually get several servings, but I've never gotten like a whole box of just one thing. You do have the option, at least right now, to get a surprise box. Now, I don't do the surprise boxes just because they come with a lot of greens, which I don't eat. So when you think of the fact that there's no like filler spinach or lettuce in here, which they have a lot of amazing varieties in kale, this is a lot for $35, and it's so fresh. I live in both an actual desert and a food desert, and so it's really difficult to get fresh produce. I used to do Bountiful Baskets, but they closed down all the sites near me, and I was driving up to an hour away. So when I found out that I could do this and get it delivered to my house, especially during the pandemic, there's some mangoes there, limes, and they also have an add-on marketplace, and these are the items I got from the add-on marketplace. I will do a taste test video later this week when I've tried everything and can tell you what it tastes like. It's similar food that you'd find at Whole Foods or natural grocers that we have here in Utah. It's really healthy. There are some sugar options, some sugar-free options. It is lower priced than Whole Foods, but it's still healthy food, so it's more expensive. Like the chips are usually made with a healthier version of oil, or it's raw sugar instead of refined sugar. The Take and Bake bread is one of the favorites. It's from Cobblestone Bread Company. They have a few different varieties. They offer it quite often, and it's not a great sandwich bread for slicing, but it's really great if you just like to eat hunks of bread. You do have to put it in the oven to bake it, but it's not hard, and it gives you the feeling of fresh baked bread without all of the work. I do have some lemon preserves, which I've never tried before. Now, I really want to zoom in and show you the Misfits. It gets the name from maybe this company is selling either surplus produce, or it's selling produce that they wouldn't be able to sell in the grocery store. Think of this as the B team of fruits and vegetables. It's the misshaped, it's the slightly blemished, but totally edible. And you can see on the lime that there is some discoloration. On this apple, this wouldn't normally be sold in the store. It has a few little nicks, no worms, but I'll just cut around it. And even this tomato I took out because there were just a few tiny little dents. And they don't use a lot of packaging. It usually just comes in a great big cardboard box, and then it has a, it's just all the produce is thrown in there, not sorted out, so you may have some difficulty telling some varieties of lemons from oranges. I found that out the difficult way. So if you're worried about packaging, they don't use a lot of packaging, but they do put the tomatoes in these containers so they get crushed. The only thing that I don't think is either edible or I may throw it out is this pepper. I'm gonna have to cut into it and see it. The other side is beautiful, like these peppers, so I'm just gonna cut into it. But out of, you know, sometimes you get a weird shaped carrot or something. I've never gotten like a true misfit like they show in their pictures where it's really funny looking and grotesque, but still edible. But the only blemished ones I've got are right there. So these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and most of it I'll either cut around the blemishes or they're just outside on the peel. It's no big deal. And that yellow pepper is the only one that I might lose. So this is $35. And then over here, I think I spent $20 because I had a $10 coupon on this section. So it's easy to go overboard in the marketplace, but just the fact that they can ship it to your house during a pandemic, and it's really healthy. So Misfits Market. And I have decided that I'm going to be a haul channel. I don't shop that often, but when I do, I will upload that video. And oh, the biggest life tip I can give anyone is to keep your citrus in the fridge. Not because it lasts longer, but because it just tastes really, really great. So that's going to be my tagline, something with keeping your citrus in the fridge. That's all of the really super knowledgeable information that I have to share. But if you like it, sign up using my referral code for $10 off your first order. Have a great day.